Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prologo, and today, as you can see the title, we're gonna be making Chucky makeup look with a little glam because I want it to be like girly because I'm a girl obviously. But before I start, I just want to say I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so just let me know if I did great. Okay, let's start. Of course, first we need this, like ponytail, whatever. You can use whatever you want just to block your hair out of your face. I already prepped my face earlier, so of course we're gonna need our base, which is just foundation. And I'm using this NYX NYX, whatever you call it. Let's just apply it here. So, na-blend ko na siya. Kapag nakikita mong parang white lady ka na, ayos na yan. And don't worry, we're gonna put some contour later, so okay lang kapag ganyan yung, yung look niya. And the next step, our concealer. I'm gonna use this again. Yeah. Just like, everyday makeup look. Ganun. Kasi si Chucky, man lang siya. Kasi si Chucky, doll. So, you just need to make your face look like a doll, or just prep it like a doll. What? Just like what I said earlier, I'm gonna make it a little glam version. Yeah, yun yung gagawin natin. Not like so glam, but yeah. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean, yeah, good, very good. Friends tayo. Kung hindi, problema mo na yun. Of course, we're gonna put contour. And again, this is not sponsored. Sponsored. Yeah, this is not sponsored, so I just like this brand. Duh. So we're gonna use whatever brush gusto mong gamitin. Just like that. Oh, diba? Oh. Wait. Napatian ko. God damn, pati si Chucky. Charot. So what I am doing is, just contour your nose. I know it's a little too dark, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So next step is blush. And I'm using this. It's not NYX anymore. It's Too Faced. Better than... Yep. Amo na dakan ko sa tanan kay magbukas ka bala. Napakabudlo yan kapablaw. Oh. Di, madugo yan. Mga syam-syaman. Ito na lang eh. Hindi ko pa rin mabuksan. wait, okay. What I like about this blush is that it smells so good. Parang basta sweet sa. Mas sweet pa sa Migo. Wala ka na sa pa. Okay. Am I the only one who likes putting blush on my nose? Or, yeah. So, yeah, dapat, super pink dapat. Guys, super pink. Because if you take picture and it's not that super pink, no, it's not gonna look good. Kasi si Chucky, lover boy. And I like to put some blush on my forehead too. That's why I told you earlier, if you look so white or so light, it's fine. So next step, we're gonna do our eyebrows. I don't know what kind of palette is this, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, and then put it on your eyebrows. Chucky has an orange here, so you should make it orange. I know there's a little black, but it's fine. It's fine, guys. I-brush natin. Tips ko lang. Pag mag-makeup kayo, parang expert. Gusto nyong, mag-use ng color, like, I want my eyeshadow to be like purple. Don't use just a single color. Use 2 or 3 colors to make it pop. Guys, while I'm doing this, I forgot to put powder on my face. Yeah, malipaton tayo eh. Malipaton. Natigit-igdag. Tanatagin mo. Oh, finally, done. Duh. It's not that hard. The same product na ginamit natin kanina sa ating, concealer. Yeah, clean your eyebrows. Duh. Silhigan mo eyebrow mo, okay? Silhig. Kung hindi mo gusto silig, vacuum eh kung gusto mo. If you notice that I'm switching my language to English, It's because my boyfriend is American. So, Uy, stop. Yeah, I just want him to understand me when I'm doing this, you know. Friend is sama, ano, out of place. Out of place din ka. So baby, if you're watching this, wanna play? Oy, ano ba? Sure. Oh my god. So next up, our eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use red or anything red na makita nyo. Put it on our eye, obviously. This is gonna be our first layer, okay? And now it's time for the second layer. Use darker color than this one. I'm gonna use this. Next, we're gonna add another darker color. I'm gonna use black because trip ko lang. Why? Duh. Charot. I like colors again. Oh, the second one was this Lacura. It's just a Christmas gift. Just put it here in inner, okay, inner part. So this is how it looks like. Here's the process, guys. Don't worry. Next is we're gonna put some eyeliner. So next step, I'm gonna use this next again for our wings. Yeah, malupad to, guys. Malupad to. So before I forgot, we should put something on their eyes too. Under your eyes. I mean, yeah. Just put brown or anything red, just like your shadows on top. I'm done with this. Let's put eyeliner on this side, black one, and the other side we're gonna use white because this side this is my stitch. Okay, like you know, kung makita niyo si Chucky, nga manang itsura ya. Oh, sorry. I'm not into short, guys. Oh, Tiffany, you know that audio on TikTok? Like, I'm sorry. I'm not into short, guys. Yeah, this is a Chucky, guys. It's from Chucky. But I guess it's from Bride of Chucky because Tiffany is the one who said that line. So yeah. Yeah, me too. Tiffany, same. I'm not into short, guys. It's not all. So next step is just take something red to draw a scar. Just gonna draw it across your face. You can search Chucky on Google so you have a reference because that's what I'm doing right now. And you have your scar. Of course, we're gonna layer it again with another color, darker one. What I'm gonna use for darker shade of red is this is a face paint from CC Beauty, and I've been using this for maybe a couple of years now. And I'm gonna use this red and maybe this brown or this. If you don't have this, you can use anything dark. You can use dark red, like darker than this, or you're gonna put some brown on it to make it look, you know, realistic. So we're just gonna trace what we did. I don't know if you can see any difference, but you can see it later. So as you can see, this is the first one that we did, and this is the second one that has the second shade. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting dark brown inside of these red lines. I'm gonna use this kind of brown or dark brown to make a shadow. I'm using the wrong brush. So let's use this instead. So kung nakita niyo naman, may mga shadows na sa, diba? Next, we're gonna put some highlights. And for that, I'm gonna use fine brush. I'm gonna use white. Just put it here. As you can see, it's a space between brown and red. Yeah, just put between those colors. So far, ito na yung natapos natin. So next step, I'm gonna make some staplers. You know what my toxic trait is? I mean, thinking that I can beat Chucky. Like, when he attacks you, you would just like, yeah, kick him. That's it. It's just me thinking that I can beat him. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So, okay lang. So, tapos na tayo sa mga stapler. Butangan mo lang ng babaw, sing white. That's it. So, I'll just continue doing this, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the end. So, this is how it looks like for now, and what I'm gonna do is just gonna put everything on, like my wigs, my contact lenses, my lipstick, of course, and my eyelashes. That's it. Then I'm gonna go back to you guys, and I'm gonna show you the result. So, this is the final look. You're Chucky. I have this, voodoo knife of Chucky. Of course, this is fake. This is made of cardboard, and I made this, so I'm thinking to put some blood on my face too, for like extra special effects, but I'm liking this look. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and like this look. Don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video, guys.